Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC. This comes in a silver exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz and GLE 350 badging, power opening and closing trunk, rear seats, memory seats, driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel, mileage in this vehicle is 31,701, and we do have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio, navigation, and backup camera. Climate control, shifter, and center console. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.